Yeah, people, this is a pressure reducing valve. You can use this to reduce or control the pressure on your supply line. Customers complained of too much pressure in the system, causing pipes to rattle or noise when appliances are being used. The water board has concluded that there's too much pressure, so we'll go and install this and see if this makes any difference. So basically there's already a PRV or pressure reducing valve on the line. I've assembled a new one. I'll replace it and then hopefully solve the problem. Water hammer. So replaced the PRV or pressure reducing valve, and seems to have sorted out the problem. No banging at the moment. We keep on testing and see what happens. The water hammer seems to have seized. I open the tap. I don't hear any noise. No banging noise. Yeah. Just need to run the system for another 48 hours and then we'll be 100% sure that it's been repaired.